A born baby is male or female is decided by the factor present in father, not in mother. Therefore, it is the father who is responsible for a baby which is male or female and not the mother. Now, we will deal the 15th problem of arithmetic progression, which is for what value of n? For what value of n are the nth terms of two APs? Are the nth terms of two APs are given, becomes equal. Understand the question? For what value of n are the nth terms of the two APs? 63, 65, 67 forms one AP and 3, 10, 17 forms another AP, and whose nth term becomes equal. For what value of n? What is that value which makes nth term of these two APs become equal? Understand, children? Now, to know that, we need to know which are the two APs given. The two APs given are the first one, first AP 63, 65, 67. Whose nth term we do not know, so we say as let the nth term of this particular AP be an, and whose first term is visible, a is equals to 63, and common difference b, which is second term minus first term. Second term is 65, first term is 63, and you get common difference 2. So from this we have got first term, common difference, and nth term we do not know. We have assumed nth term as an. This is the data we have collected from AP1. Next, the second AP is 3, 10, 17, etc. Written here 3, 10, 17, where it's clearly visible. First term is B. I have taken first term as a B because A I have taken already here, and you can see that first term is different here. First term is 63 and here 3. Therefore, A I have taken as 63 and here the first term I have taken it as a B, which is equals to 3. And what is the common difference? Common difference is 7. Understand? What is the nth term of this AP? We do not know. We will assume that let its nth term be Bn. Why it is not An? Because An is taken in this problem. Both the APs are there in a single problem. So for one AP we have taken it as An, for another we have taken it as Bn. Did you understand, children? Two APs of which we collected certain data. Now let's go back to the question. The question says, for what value of n? For what value of n? An becomes equals to Bn. An becomes equals to Bn. That's what it is asked. For what value of n are the nth terms? Which are the nth terms of this AP? For one AP, the nth term is An. For another AP, the nth term is Bn. When does it becomes equal? An becomes Bn. When? For what value of n we have to find? Understand? Now, we do not know for what value. Let's assume that for n is equals to x. For n is equals to x. Let nth term of one AP becomes equals to nth term of another AP. That is An is equals to Bn. Understand? We have taken, we do not know for what value, we have taken n is equals to x. X means we have to find that. So for some value of x, An becomes equals to B. What is the nth term formula for An? An substituting. An is equals to A plus n minus 1 times B is equals to, what is Bn? Same, B plus n minus 1 into B. This is equating now. After equating, you know that this is the first AP. First AP, data you have got, values you have got. Take the data, first AP, A value is 63, substituted. What is the value of n? X, substituted. What is the value of Dn? 2, substituted. Understand? This is the first AP. This is the second AP. Second AP data, first term 3 plus n value, same for both, because of which these two became equal. N value is x minus 1. What is the D? Dx. After doing all the substitution, multiplication, addition, we get 63 plus x minus 1, substitution finished. 63 plus 2 into x, 2x minus 1 into 2 is equals to 3 plus 7 into x 7x minus 1 into 7. Now 63 minus 2 is 61. 2x remains as it is equals 3 minus 7 plus 3 minus 7 is minus 4. 7x plus 7x remains as it is. What we got is 61 plus 2x is equals to 7x minus 4. Now if you can observe this properly, both the sides variable, x is the variable, both the sides variable as well as the constant terms are there. Now our duty is shifting all the variables to one side and all the constant to other side. Now we'll shift variable x to the left hand side and constant to the right hand side. To shift variable to the left hand side, in the right hand side variable should not be there. What is the variable here? 7x. To eliminate that, we have to add both the sides minus 7x. One thing. Next, what is not required in the left hand side? Plus 61. So to eliminate this, adding minus 61 both the sides. Thus, in the same equation here, adding minus 7x and minus 61 both the sides. Understand, children? Now you can see that after adding, first 61 plus 2x was there, for which we added minus 7x minus 61 is equals to, what was there? 7x minus 4 was there. Again, we have added both sides minus 7x and 61. As here, minus 7x plus 7x gets cancelled up. Minus 61 plus 61 gets cancelled up. What is remaining is minus plus 2x minus 5x. Plus 2x minus 5x is nothing but minus 5x is equals to minus 4 minus 61. Minus 4 minus 61 is minus 65. We have got minus 5x is equals to minus 65. And now divide both sides by minus 5 such that minus 5 gets cancelled up. Minus gets cancelled. 5, 13 times is 65. Thus we have got the value x is equals to 13. X is equals to 13 we have got. What does it refer to? For what value of n, an become equals to bn. For x value, what is that x? X is nothing but 13. So we will say that for n equals 13, both the nth term an and bn becomes equal. For n is equals to 13. For n equals 13, an becomes equals to nth term of first AP becomes equals to nth term of second AP. For what value? For n is equals to 13. Now verification. If you have doubt, if you substitute n is equals to 13 in first and second AP, if you have to get the same value, when you get the same value for the nth term, then what the value n equals 13 is true. Now we'll see. An is equals to a plus n term formula. Substitute here 63. Take the data from there. 63 plus 13 we have got. 13 minus 1 into 2 we have taken from first AP. So that an is equals to 63 plus 12 into 2. An is equals to 63 plus 24, which is 87. Now for second AP, substitute the data collected from second AP and then same value of 13 use. Bn is equals to b plus n minus 1 into d. Bn is equals to 3 plus here n we have got 13. Substituting for both 13 itself. 13 minus 1 into 7. Bn is equals to 3 plus 13 minus 1 is 12 into 7. Bn is equals to 3 plus 12, 7 times 84. 84 plus 3 is 87. After substituting n value as 13 in both the APs, you will get nth term 87 and 87. Thus it is proved that 13 is the number. 13 is the value for which both the nth terms of 2 AP becomes equal. Did you understand?